Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. My name is Nick and we are going to get straight into it. Today we're going to talk about the pros and cons of credit repair companies and doing it yourself. Which one should you, choose? Should you go and pay someone $1,000 or should you go ahead and learn and do it yourself? Which one is more beneficial to you? Go ahead and make myself smaller over here and let's get right into it. So it's quick and easy, man. The pros of a credit repair company. Someone else is doing the work for you, We all enjoy that. So, hell, I don't like doing stuff myself sometimes, so I would rather pay someone else to do it. And credit repair is one of those things where many people feel the same way, and they would just much rather have someone else do it for them. So usually those people who are doing, the credit repair company, usually, not all the time, but usually they're more knowledgeable than you in credit. But if you're on this channel, you're more knowledgeable than them at credit. You know what I mean? So if you choose the right company, results will come quick and unexpected. So I've had good experience in the past, and I've had bad experiences in the past. But if you choose the right company, then you will get results, and they will come quicker than expected. So the cons of a credit repair company. So someone else is handling your personal info. So in order to do credit repair, you have to give up your ID as well as your social security number. Now, for some people, who cares, right? But some people are paranoid and, they don't want to give out information like that. And some companies are, fraudulent companies and some companies are legit companies. So just, that's one of the things that you want to weigh if you're going to go the credit repair route. Someone else will be handling your personal information, all your personal information, basically. Usually they're doing more than just your file, so your account is not their top priority and focus. So this is a big one, guys. Usually they have, 20, 50, 100 files that they're working on at one time. So you're just a number on a screen, basically. And for me, I don't enjoy working businesses like that, or signing up for services like that in general when it deals with something so meticulous as credit repair. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's file is different. So if you're not giving the time to actually, what's the word I'm looking for? Build that file or work on that file in the manner that they need done, and instead you're doing a boilerplate repair, using regular templates and just the regular 1, 2 follow-up process, dispute 1, dispute 2, dispute 3, then you can get iffy results that way. So just like I just said, they treat the business by the number of signups they can get and not results oriented. I have worked with some of the largest credit repair companies. I'm talking millions, 8 figures of credit repair per year, and this is what they do, guys. Seriously, it's about the number of signups. Once they get you in, it's a wrap. They've made their money up front. And sometimes you'll get results, sometimes you won't get results. It just really depends. Boilerplate templates and no real work being done. So what I mean by boilerplate templates is the same template that they're using for you, they're using for 100 other people. So what does that look like to the credit repair companies? There's no if they're, let's say on Friday, the credit repair company is getting 100 letters that look exactly the same. I mean, what does that look like to the not the credit repair companies, the credit bureaus that they're sending it to? If it's all looking the exact same, then the likelihood of them actually responding and doing what you want them to do, which is delete the information, they'll just ignore it because boilerplate templates, they're getting hundreds and thousands. So you want to be able to curate your dispute personally for you. Switch up the font, change the color of the font, change the size of the font, handwrite it. These are simple little things that actually work and make a difference that credit repair companies, unfortunately, are too busy to do. They can't do that for 100 people at a time. So that's just something to think about if you want to go in and do it yourself. A couple of tips and tricks I just gave you there that will work very well. And usually credit repair companies are expensive, over $1,000. I've seen $2,500. I've seen $3,000. Personally, when I ran my credit repair company, we were charging over $997, so $1,000. So it's expensive, but that's what you pay to get the work done, right? You're essentially paying to remove debt. So if you have a $10,000 charge off or collection and you paid $1,000 and they got it removed, you came up in that situation. You no longer owe $10,000 and all you had to do was pay $1,000. So it could be a con, it can be a pro. It's just however you decide to look at it. So the pros of doing it yourself. All right. So the first one is you get to learn a new skill, and you can do it over and over, and you can help your friends and family. That's how I got started. About 5-6 years ago, I learned how to repair credit just straight on YouTube. Shout out to Brandon Weaver, his credit repair channel. And I just learned, and I helped myself, I helped friends, I helped family, and then I ended up turning into a business for myself. So it's a lifelong skill that 5 years later, I'm still able to help friends and family. I'm still able to help and educate the masses on. So it's a skill that sticks with you forever, and everyone in America has credit. So, everybody needs it. That's a valuable skill. It's a valuable knowledge set to have, and people will really appreciate learning more about it. So another pro of doing it yourself is you focused attention on your file. So like I was saying earlier, you're able to curate your disputes personally. So you can send in a letter instead of it looking like a boilerplate letter. You can go ahead and customize it. You can have pink font, pink cursive font. You can put your signature on there. You can just whip it up however you want to make it personal to you. So when it gets to these credit reporting agencies, it doesn't get ignored or looked over. Another pro is you don't have to share your personal information. You're sharing your personal information with the credit bureaus who already have your personal information, but you're not sharing it with a third party. There's no middleman. You're completely cutting out the middleman in this process. And it opens opportunities to more knowledge and resources that benefit other parts of your life. So when you get into this game of credit, learning how to do credit, the laws behind credit, the FDCPA, the FCRA, FTC, all these things, it's a whole other world that you discover that you did not know that is beyond just credit. It gets really deep, and I talk a lot about those topics here on this channel. So yeah, man, it's an opportunity to meet a lot of unique people and a lot of knowledgeable people that you wouldn't have met otherwise. So, and then the last pro would be you get to save over $1,000. The cost of doing credit repair is literally the postage. So you want to send it certified, return slip, however you want to do it. What is that, $3, $5? Less than $5 per letter. So that's definitely better than paying $1,000. You take a couple hours to learn, trial and error. You know what I'm saying? You can literally learn right now after this video. We get off this video, you go purchase a letter, look over the letter, read over it, look up the laws, put in your information, put in the negative items. Then tomorrow morning or later on this afternoon, you go ahead and print that out, mail it out, and then in 30 days you'll get a response, and you'll have your feet wet just from that 1, 2, 3. It's that easy, guys. It really is that easy. We don't have to overcomplicate things, man. You got me here to explain it and let you know that everything's going to be okay, and it's going to be easy, and it's going to benefit you, man. So let's see the cons. So the cons is it takes time to learn and execute. So I understand people's attention spans are not what they used to be. You know what I mean? Like we go from one thing to another thing to another thing. So sitting down and actually learning something and executing, taking action is very rare in today's day and age. But I encourage you to take the time to learn and execute on your own. This is your credit after all. You know what I'm saying? Nobody's going to save you but yourself. So whether you go the route of looking for the route of looking for a credit repair company or doing it yourself, just take the time to learn, do your research, and execute, take action. I don't want you guys to watch this video and then 5 months later you haven't done anything. You know what I mean? Watch this video, take some action, watch some more videos, compare and contrast. You don't have to just watch my videos. There's a ton of other credit repair videos. Compare the information, see what correlates, see what works, and then what do you feel best doing? You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, I just want you to execute and take action on your goals, take action on your credit, and just make your life better. This is a weight that can be lifted off of your shoulders, and it's fairly easy to do, guys. Seriously, it's really easy, man. And let's see. that's the end of the video, guys. Quick and easy, less than 10 minutes on the pros and cons of credit repair companies or doing it yourself. So if you like that, please smash the like button to get this in the algorithm so other people can see it, and hopefully they can use this information to benefit themselves. Tap the subscribe button and help us with our current goal of 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully by the time you're watching this video, we've already surpassed 1,000 and we're at 10,000 or maybe even 100,000. So, you know, fingers crossed on that. We're gonna make that happen, manifest that. So if you have any questions, you can always email me directly at info@tycoontalk.xyz, or you can leave a comment in the comment section below. I read all the comments. I also read and respond to all my emails. So if you had anything specific, go ahead and shoot me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And let me know any topics you want me to go more in depth about or talk about, and I will definitely get that done for you guys. And you can also check the link in the description box to check the credit repair products that I have, the inquiry removal letter, the charge off template, and so on and so forth. I have a few other things on there. Let's go over here and look at it. So I have the Fair Credit Reporting Act laws cheat sheet. So this is very important. Anybody who wants to learn more about the laws and the intricacies of credit repair, go ahead and get this. This is gonna go in depth. This is gonna blow your mind. Then I got the charge off template. It's got some consciousness worksheets here, inquiry removal. We got some crypto products on here, a business checklist if you're looking to start a business, and I have a bundle deal for every product that's listed on here is in the bundle deal. So if you want to get everything in one for one price, you go ahead and check that out, guys. And if you like this video, check out the other videos on my channel where I talk about making money with crypto, consciousness, and much more. And as always, may infinite abundance flow to you now and forever, my friends. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Peace.